Okay, so Johnny brought the lizard in, and now Jojo is looking at it. What is that? That's Johnny's friend. And Johnny just ignores it. We brought in a little playmate for Jojo. And Jojo doesn't quite know what to do with this thing. Right, Jojo? Here's a lizard. And Johnny is just hanging by the door, watching Jojo. And Jojo's watching Johnny. And Johnny's keeping his eye on both. Look at that, Jojo. You like the little lizard? Johnny's liking him. See the tail going? Johnny, you like the little lizard? Yeah, you brought him in. Jojo says, what can I do with that baby lizard? Johnny, she says, what do you want to do with the baby lizard? Johnny's just going to look. Eric?
Yeah?
Come here.
What, she got a lizard?
No, Johnny brought in the lizard. But she's looking at it. She's laying down right next to it.
I know, I can see her.
Look at that. If it budges an inch, what's she going to do with it? I'd love to just like make it, there we go. Just gonna bug it a little bit. There we go. Gonna move it, Jojo? That's so funny. Oh, there you go. She got it by the tail. She picked it up. I got it on tape, Jojo. Now what? She's looking at Johnny, who's looking at the lizard. She's got it. Oh, it's moving. Oh. There's Jojo. It's gonna drop its tail.